Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is update number 3 to the most epic giveaway ever. So we got a little wind out here today. Hopefully it doesn't mess up the audio too much, but so I just want to just preface this with saying this is not the giveaway. This is an update. This is update number 3, okay? So if you want to go back and look at the other ones, feel free, but this will encompass the first 2 into the 3rd one, okay? So we have a couple of rules, pretty simple. You have to be 18 years old. It's open to everybody. If you're out of the United States, live out of the United States and win, we have to go over what you could get through the mail. I know some things like knives and maybe this poker won't be able to be shipped, but we'll work that out when it comes and if it comes, okay? So let's go over what we got. Oh, and also, all the folks that contributed to this giveaway, which I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'll tell you who they are. You have to be subscribed to me and them, okay? There'll be a complete list in the description, and I'm going to check when I pick a winner to make sure that all of these, they're subscribed to all of those folks, okay? So your subscriptions are going to have to be public, at least for the 5 minutes I check. After that, I don't really care what you do with your subscriptions, okay? So let's go over it. So first off, we have a ferro rod set, and the ferro rod was donated from Nathan 4071, okay? The antlers were donated by Craig over at Georgia Trapping and Fishing, okay? And they come with a piece of Florida fatwood, and they're in this wax canvas bag. Now, I did not make the bag, but I did wax it, okay? And then, of course, you need a poker, and I made this poker. This is steel poker with a nice twist in it. We have a brass pin going right through, holding on this antler handle. We have a piece of mahogany here. We also have a deer antler finial with a brass pin at the end. We have, of course, a Mora 511 from James over at Harshman Hills. We have a flint and steel kit from Rob over at Corn Fed Experience. We have what I call the Grinch candlestick holder, handmade by me, with a beeswax candle made by me and a wick made by me. And it's just so Christmas carol-y. And then we have a little tin snuffer to put that out. Now, I added one more thing. You may have saw me make this. This is a deer antler candle holder. And again, it's got the beeswax candle. This is the actual one I used in the video when I showed this, okay? So that'll be included. And then I got a couple mail calls. First one, I got a whole list here now because there's a whole list of people. This one's from Craig over at Squirrelly Acres Family Camp, and it's a pack pal. You know you need this when you're making some tinder out of this Florida fatwood. Oh yeah. And of course, the guy starts up his lawnmower, besides the wind in the lawnmower. And then, from all the way up north, check this out. This is from Kirk. Kirk North of 51. Now he made this. This is a neck knife. He made the leather sheath, and he made this neck knife out of a saw blade. Check that out, folks. Look how sharp that is. Woo! Put a nick in my nail. Very, very cool. I'm telling you, it's getting more and more epic as we go. Brothers, I'm telling you, we got Nathan 4071. We got Craig over at Georgia Trapping and Fishing. We got Rob at Corn Fed Experience. We have James over at Harshman Hills. Kurt from Kirk North at 51. And Craig over at Squirrelly Acres Family Camp. Brothers, you warm my heart. It really is such a great feeling to know that this community is so close and so giving and so loving that they all want to be part of this. Brothers, I tell you, I send you so much love and respect. It's just, again, it blows me away. I tell you, I get tongue-tied, and I just the loss of words. It really just humbles me. But hopefully we'll hit the 4,000 mark soon. You know how that goes. It could be a week, could be a month. I have no idea. But I do know that I'm making one other thing, and someone else had reached out to me and said they wanted to be part of this, so I'm waiting for that to come. So I wanted to do a quick update, number 3. And again, this is not the actual giveaway. This is just an update with the ground rules and, you know, showing you all of this epic stuff. I mean, how cool is this? I would love to win this. And I already got it. So there you have it, folks. You know I'm going to say it. I'm sending you all much, much love and appreciation, my brothers and sisters. I hope you're getting excited. I hope you all are doing well. And we'll see you on the next one.